How to cancel maps.me subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel maps.me subscription. So how do you cancel this? The first step is to go ahead to the App Store where you got your maps.me account and which you connected to pay for a subscription maps.me. I'll show you head over to that store. Once you're on the Play Store, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and in the options displayed, select Payment and Subscriptions. And on the Payment and Subscriptions page, select Subscriptions. On the subscriptions page, you would see all of the subscriptions you've made, including the one on maps.me. So locate maps.me, click on maps.me, and you'll be taken to the detail page for maps.me. All right. So once you're at the detailed page for maps.me, at the bottom part of the screen, you'll see the option cancel subscription. All right. So just go ahead and click on cancel subscription. And then by canceling the subscription, a prompt will be displayed on the screen asking you if you're sure that you would like to cancel the subscription. Select yes, confirm the cancellation, and then just like that, your subscription will be cancelled and it would be removed. So this is basically how you can cancel maps.me subscription. It is not difficult, just follow this procedure and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.